Hello, all. My name is Vedant and I am pursuing BTech ICT at Marwadi University. Today's my topic is throughput and delay. Now let's talk about delay. A time taken for a packet to be transferred across the network. And delay have some different categories. Now let's talk about all the categories. First is processing delay, second queuing delay, third is transmission delay, and fourth is propagation delay. First is processing delay. Processing delay it means whatever time is taken by the data to process that, and after that router can understand in which next router what will be the next router, and the delay time in terms of microseconds. Next is queuing delay, a time to wait at the output link of transportation. It means router A is connected with these two devices and both devices are sending data. So the both device data of both devices will be stored in this type of queues, and one by one data packet will be transferred to the router B. So whatever time is taken by to transmit, it's called queuing delay. If queue is empty, then no any delay of queuing delay. Next is transmission delay, a time required for the router to transmit the package. It means router is transmitting any data to the main device. So whatever time is taken by the router, it's called transmission delay. Transmission we can measure transmission delay in this from this equation L by R, where L is the length of the packet and the R is the rate of transmission. If the length of the packet will be high, then we can say the transmission delay is high, and if rate of the transmission is high, then we can say the transmission delay will be low. Next is propagation delay, a time required to propagate the data from the one router to another router. It means there are routers list of the router, and one router is transmitting data to another router, and whatever time between that, it's called propagation delay. We can count that from this equation d upon s, where d is the length of physical medium and the s it means a speed of propagation. If the length between two routers are high, then we can say the propagation delay will be high, and if the speed is high, then we can say propagation delay will be low. Next is throughput, a quantity of the data being sent and received within one unit of time. It means at a time, whatever rate of data will be transferred and or received, it's called throughput. Now let's take one example. In this picture, first is latency and second is throughput. A server will send a data to the end device, and whatever time is taken by data, it's called latency. In throughput, in between server and device, there is one data line, and at a time, whatever rate of data is transferred to the end device, it's called throughput. And after that, we can say a latency is used to measure how quick this conversation take place, and whatever level of latency, it's determined the throughput. Now let's end the video. If you have any question, then feel free to comment that, and thank you.